Hello everybody, and in today's videos I'm gonna be talking about the Pepsi third quarter results. As you can see, they went 4% up on the Friday, which was the 9th of October, or no, the 10th of October, sorry, my bad. And as you can see, the EPS went up by 1% above the estimate, which is crazy, because I've heard of that one guy that make the 4 billion stake in Pepsi, and he is like rooting for to be more healthier and going into the more underperformed like sides of their potential, like the bread or that kind of stuff. They don't want to really do because it's not generating much money from them, because the sectors are really underperformed. As you can see, they can pay the dividends really well because the payout ratio is 105%. The dividend yield is 3.7%. But what is most and the greatest thing about the third quarter results is the revenue, because the revenue skyrocketed from $22.72 billion to $23.94 billion, and the net income went up from $1.6 billion to $2.6 billion, and net margin went up from 5.55% to 10% and 87. And when we are gonna look on the seasonals in this kind of time, it's going down the Pepsi, it's not about that much. But now the thing is changing, because they went up, like in the Thursday they went up like 3%, and the Friday another 3% or more, like 4%, which is crazy. And we went up from this like support, and we made another like up. The last support was around 130, 135. Now it's around like 140, which is like really better. But we are still looking like down from it on that. We can just like say this. So maybe if we are going to just like break this and get up, then we might break this like triangle, and we're going to be getting up. They're just in some kind of like triangle like that, because there's no other triangle we can do, or maybe there is, I don't know. Yeah, it is, but it's going to cross somewhere around, around here. We are in that kind of like triangle, so we are breaking above it, which is great, because we can see the price skyrocket even more, but in this kind of market it's not the greatest thing you want to like see, because everything is down. The TSMC is down -7%, Amazon is down 5%, the Google is down 2%, and the new is down 3%, which is just not great. It's really bad, and it's just about the Trump, getting the persons from imports from China bigger. He said that he is going to set the 100% on the imports from China, if I'm not mistaken. So that is not great. But yeah, guys, this is going to be everything for this video. If you want to know more about the stock or about the third quarter like results, write it down in the comments and we are gonna answer it. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and in the next video, bye bye.